What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jolly Tuber, aka Jolly. I'm back with another banger video. You already know what time it is, man. We are about to install a brand new exhaust into the Z Nismo. Let me show you real quick if you haven't seen it. Man, what you guys think? Do this look cute on me or what? Drop a comment right now, y'all. So I'm show you the step and after and before, the sound. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lit dope video, y'all. This shit gonna sound different, I promise. Stay tuned and keep watching the video, y'all. Alright guys, we about to show you before and after the sound. It's not loud at all. Yes, sir. It's not loud at all. We are removing the stock mufflers. We about to start the car with no muffler, y'all. Muffler delete, y'all. It's gonna be loud. Oh. Flex pipe is out, guys. I think it's gonna be loud, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hey. It's coming together. Sure.
Put the gasket in the center.
Yeah, so it don't leak, right?
Make sure that's it. Gasket between the pipes.
Alright guys, we at the final one right here. I can't wait to hear the sound, y'all. Ready? Alright guys, we are about to start the car. We installed the new exhaust. And yeah, I think it's gonna be loud. What you guys think? Drop a comment right now before he turn the car on. Drop a comment right now. Like really loud. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. It's loud. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is loud. Okay. Yo. You make us a big difference, y'all. Yo, you make a big difference. It's loud, y'all. I gonna cap this shit hard. We are putting the car down. This looks like light look like. This looks aggressive. Damn, this is hard. Well, I'm about to show you the interior and the exterior of this beautiful car right here. That's the 370Z Nismo. So yeah, it's made by Nissan. So yeah, overall you got a carbon fiber hood. It's hard. Got a nice rims too. I think think that's a stock rim, so yeah. The car is loud. It's better than the way it was. Let me show you the interior now. The door is really light. Yeah guys, this car is almost new, yeah.
This is crazy, bro.
It feel good?
I feel like I'm driving a Lamborghini. Yo.
Oh guys, this is amazing, y'all. I want one now, y'all. I want one, definitely, bro. After just driving this, like, it feels good as hell, y'all. I feel like I'm in a Lamborghini. I ain't gonna cap to y'all, man. The seat is holding me really tight in this dash right here. I feel like I'm driving a jet or you know, airplane, y'all. It just look gorgeous, y'all. Yes, it go to 180, y'all. This shit gonna be pushing. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, it's the next day, y'all. I want to end this video here. I want to say thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I really do appreciate y'all, bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate each and everyone that watched my video, subscribe my channel, like the video, you know what I'm saying? So far talking, I want you guys to have a blessed day, because if I'm having a good time, I want you guys to have a good time. So far talking, I will see you on my next video, and peace out, y'all.